Cary business owners need dependable repairs done right? For trusted commercial handyman services, Cary, North Carolina, choose Mr. Handyman of Western Wake County. We specialize in commercial carpentry, professional painting services, restroom repair, fence installation, drywall repair, and tile work, all completed by experienced professionals. We help offices, retail spaces, and commercial properties stay professional, functional, and well-maintained. Visit https://www.mrhandyman.com/western-wake-county/ or call 919-626-3348 today.